Hello guys, Kasia here, welcome to my channel. Today we have this tier 3 wave 1 box with Naruto in the 6-path Sage mode on the box. It came a little damaged, there is a tear on the bottom, and it's not the first time I see damage like that, so there is probably some tension point that makes the box damage during the shipping. This box contains 20 packs. And it's a little bit more pricey than other tier 3 boxes. I heard it's because it's getting out of print. Inside we have 20 packs. The special card is an TR or TGR card with the transparent background and chibi characters. I got it because there is a chance of pulling two types of cards that I really want to add to my collection. First one are UR with Jinchuriki and the tail beast in the background. And I think you can pull these cards also from the cloud box, I'm not sure about that. And the second cards I really want in my collection are silver ARs with Akatsuki members. Kayou didn't continue this line of cards, so I think this box is the only one you can find them in. First pack. And we are starting with Sakura, Ibiki, Shino, TGR of Naruto, and SSR of Gaara. We have Naruto, Kamatatsu, Lee, Naruto, and SSR of Jiraiya. Okay, maybe this time something better. Naruto, Anko, Ino, TR of Kakashi with his favorite book, and SSR of Zabuza, and I'm really happy about this card because I love this character. Didn't have this SSR yet. It's a lot easier to open it from this side, so sorry for upside down cards for a moment. Temari, Shikamaru, Kotetsu, Deidara, and first pull UR of Tritace and Yagura. I hope we will have at least one more like that. Hinata, Naruto, Bakun, TGR of Itachi and the Crows, and UR of Raikage, and it's a UR number 1. It's a bit weird, you would expect they will start with the main characters. One day I will make a video without dropping at least one card. Tenten, Sasuke, Hayate, Iruka, and SSR of Kankuro. Kiba, Jugo, Kankuro, Sakura, and silver AR of Hidan. You see how it looks? It's a bit different from the gold ones, and I really like that effect on the cards. Shino, Sakura, one of the Sound Ninja, another TGR of Naruto, and SR of Sasuke. Ibiki, Gara, I messed that up a bit, Shino, Minato, and Sai. Sakura, Naruto, Naruto again, it is the Ramben, Killer Bee, and SR of Kurenai. Shikamaru, Suigetsu, Kiba. I think I spotted an AR Neji here, and yes, AR of Itachi. This time the gold one. That's with these boxes you can get gold or silver ones, and you never know which one it will be. Another Sound Ninja, Tenten, Sakura, TGR of Kakashi, and SR of Naruto. Shizune, Neji, Sound Ninja, Sasuke, and SR of Iruka. Here we have Temari, Minato, Shikamaru, TGR of Kakashi, and SSR of Naruto. Okay, it was long enough without pulls, so maybe this time. Another Sound Ninja, I think we have all of them right now. Lee, and SSR of Kankuro. We got this one earlier, I think. Hinata, Kankuro, Hidan, and another AR of Pain. Only gold, but I will take it. Temari, Choji, Kankuro, TR of Jugo, and SR of Kai-sensei. Kiba, Sasuke, Sound Ninja, TGR of Sasuke, and UR of Sasuke. This time the normal one with the Chinese symbols in the background. I'm getting out of space. Lee, Ino, Sasuke, Suigetsu, and the hit is an SSR of Eiji. Last pack, we need some magic here. And we're starting with Pakun, Suigetsu, Tenten, Shikamaru, and the hit is an SSR of Choji. So only one silver R and one jinchuriki UR, but overall I think it wasn't a bad box. I got my Zabuza SSR that I was looking for, and a lot of new cards to add to my binder. That's all for today, so see you soon, bye, and Merry Christmas to you all!